आमी आज एकठांय जाले टू डिस्कस ऑन जी मर्डर ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी जाल्या. तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आहा जे म्हाका दिसता द थर्ड सेशन ऑफ द 8th लेजिस्लेटिव्ह असेंब्ली which is to be held on 16th, 17th, 18th and 19th for only 4 days. So basically there is सरकाराचो एक प्रयास जाला की to silence the opposition, but we are all together, all 7 of us, हम साथ हैं, and we will definitely be the voice of Goans irrespective of our political differences. Today गोंय सांबाळपाक जो जे म्हाका दिसता सरकार हे करप्शन, the amount of rise in crime cases वयता थिंगा जे हे सरकारान जे आज चल्ला, to expose them, all of us are together, we will always be together. जे सेशन आज जे स्पीकरान 4 दिसाचे जे आज मुखार घातला, हे सेशनाक म्हाका दिसता if you see at it, private members resolution as of this Fridayच्या दिसाक आसता, so they've curtailed it purposely only to 4 days. Somewhere हे म्हाका दिसता in the history जे private members resolution आचो दीस, so private members day आसता Fridayच्या दिसाक, nowhere has this happened. This is a murder of democracy and we demand that this day je म्हाका दिसता we ask the speaker that he should extend this session by almost 2 weeks. If not, he should start the session from Tuesday. 4 दिसातून घेवपाक जाय, start it from Tuesday. But Friday, so this is a very important day. All of us were of the opinion that this has to go. Secondly, under 307, he has suspended certain rules. And under 307, he has limited je amka information mark pak to only 5 years. And he says past history. Goa has a history of almost 500 years. And we are, apart from Mr. Vijay Sardesai, we are all newcomers. We are first time MLAs. How are we supposed to limit our questions to only 5 years? What about the mining scam that is there for almost 10 years and continues to be there? So definitely to your Sarkar maka dista, they are scared. They are scared of all the opposition. I fail to understand. Are amka aaj they are giving us salary, the staff gets salary and the house is not functioning. Tomorrow in the name of COVID, they will again curtail the assembly session. So all these tactics, and we request the Honorable Speaker that he should act as a speaker, not as a spokesperson of the ruling dispensation. Secondly, another important thing what we also discussed was we asked that they calling attention and 0R as they mentioned that since it is only a 4-day session, that there should be at least 7 of these taken each from each of our opposition MLAs. Also, if the speaker continues with this approach, hukumshahi, dadagiri, then we will move to the Honorable Governor. If not, we will also go to the court. But we will make sure that justice has to be done to Goa and Goans. If you look at the issues, on the first day, second day are 26 departments, 6 ministers. Second day are 21 departments and third day there are 16 departments. How at the last time we amka speakeran sangille je 5 week je session ha, he will curtail it. He curtailed it to 2 weeks and there will be an extension now. Now we get only 3 days to ask questions and private members days, that is our right, and he's limited to 5 our information for 5 years. RTI under Rule 6, they get 20 years of information and we are only getting 5 years of information. So this is definitely, they are scared, their ministers are scared, their cabinet is scared of us, and we will definitely work in the interest of Goa and Goans.